Hello, everyone, and we're here with Kirk, who works in the Microsoft Java team. Kirk, introduce yourself.
Hi, Rory. Thanks for having me here. Let's see, I work for the Java engineering group within Microsoft. I came to Microsoft after I started with Martin Vorburg, who is our now group leader, was acquired by Microsoft. And what we were doing is we were building Adopt OpenJDK, so we're heavily involved in that, and we were building performance diagnostic tooling. And
From a developer, I'm going to just tell you that I'm really keen on performance diagnostic doing. One, it helps me build a better system, and two, I can find out all the faults in my system. Tell me a little bit more about the uniqueness of your tool that you use.
Oh, right. Yeah. So the part of the problem that we're trying to tackle is like the diagnostic problem. This is the problem that gives everyone like the biggest headache, right? Doesn't it with you? It's like, what the heck is going on here? And trying to figure it out, trying to get the right data and everything like that. So what I've come up with is a model, and we've used some AI and some other tech, and we've thrown it into a bucket, and it's able to sit alongside your system. If something goes wrong, it's just going to go in there and dig in and try to figure out what it is. And so far, it's working really, really nicely. We're just integrating it into Azure and Azure Insights, and yeah, it's starting to give us some really nice results. We're hoping that we'll get somewhere in the neighborhood of about 90% accuracy in the diagnosis.
Now, you're from Canada, right?
Yeah.
You've got there's quite a big Java community in Canada. What can the American, the Canadian, the European, the world look for with the Microsoft OpenJDK? What is coming up in the horizon that that you can tell us a little bit of a secret of the roadmap?
Secret of the roadmap? The secret of the roadmap is this is OpenJDK. There are no secrets. The reason why we have our build is so that we can better support our own customers here at Microsoft. So if we're running this in Azure, we can make sure that the JVM runs well in Azure, and we can give top-notch support to the things that matter to our customers. If you go out into the broader OpenJDK community, then of course they're concerned about how Java runs, but they may not prioritize one experience over another. In other words, there's just going to be different priorities out there. So that's one aspect of it. The other aspect is that Microsoft is really becoming involved in the Java community in the sense that we're involved in OpenJDK and we're contributing things that we're doing back to the community. For example, we have a project working on escape analysis and just making escape analysis much better, function much better in the JVM. And the entire Java community will benefit from that once we've pushed that out. Now, being in the Canada part is really kind of fun because today we're reading in the paper, especially in my neck of the woods, the bears are starting to wake up. So
okay, we don't have bears here in South Africa, but we've got summer weather going into winter. And you've got winter weather going into spring though. So So from South Africa, thank you so much, Kirk, for this interview, and we look forward to great news from the Microsoft Java team. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Rory. Bye now.